Hi, this is Dr. Fast here. In this video I will show you this car dash camera. It's from a company called BESCHOI, and this camera features a 2.7-inch color LCD display. It records in 1080p. So let's open this up so you can see what this dash cam looks like. Here we have the user manual. This is the dash cam itself. Here we have the DC power cable that plug into your cigarette lighter port. On this end we have a mini USB connector. Here we have the windshield suction mount. This is a mini USB cable that you can connect your dash cam to your computer. Now the camera also comes with a 32 gig micro SD card. Very nice. And here we have a microfiber towel to clean the camera. Here's a look at everything you get with this camera. Let's have a closer look at this dash cam. Now my first impression when I saw this camera is that it's actually a very nice design. Also the build quality is very nice. So on the side we have this gloss piano black, and on the front we have this brushed aluminum finish. Here's a look at the back. Let's go over the buttons and I/O ports you'll find on this dash cam. Over here on the left is the micro SD card slot. On the bottom, here we have the mini USB connector. This is the HDMI output port. Here we have the microphone. Over here is the AV or audio video out. On the right side we have the down select and up select. On the front we have the reset button and the speaker. Here we have 4 infrared LEDs. Looking at the top, this is the menu button. This is the power button. This is the mode button and the record button. On the back, we have the LED status on the right side here. Let's go over some of the spec on this dash cam. Now the lens you're looking at is actually a 6 glass focus lens. Has an aperture of 2.0, which allows a lot of light to come in for nighttime recording. The video recording can be set for 1920 by 1080 or 1280 by 720. It uses H.264 video compression. Inside the unit there is a 130 milliamp hour 3.7 volt polymer lithium ion battery. The micro SD slot can support up to 32 gig size. As for recording time, if you use a 16 gig micro SD card, then you can record in 1080p for 160 minutes. If you have a 32 gig micro SD card, you can record in 1080p for 320 minutes. Now let me show you how to install this suction cup mount. Place the suction cup onto the windshield, press this down, and then rotate this top knob clockwise until it locks into place. And then plug the USB power cable to the connector at the top here. Now you can connect the dash cam to the bottom of the mount using these connectors here. Slide the dash cam until it clicks. With the dash cam connected to the mount, there is a swivel ball joint here that you can use to adjust the angle. Now before I power this up, I'm going to install the micro SD card into the dash cam. Once the unit is powered on, the recording will start automatically. You can see that by the flashing red circle on the LCD. Also, the LED on the right side is flashing. Let's go over the rest of the information you see on the LCD. Over here we have the resolution of the video that's recording in. This is the elapsed time of the loop recording. This microphone tells you it's recording audio. Below that, the battery icon tells you it's plugged into a charger. Here we have the current time, current date. This is the icon telling you the SD card is plugged in. This is the exposure value. Wide dynamic range is turned on. And this icon shows you the loop recording is set to 5 minutes. Let's go into the menu setting. To do that, you need to stop the recording first. Press the record button right here. Now you can press the menu button. And to scroll up and down, use the up and down button on the side. First item, resolution, 1080 or 720p. Next one, loop recording, is set to 5 minutes. Y dynamic range is on. Motion detection is off. G sensor set, off, low, medium, or high. Let's go ahead and set this to low. Now if you want to go to the setup menu, press the mode button right here. Now here you can set the date and time. Auto LCD off. This is like a screensaver for the LCD. So right now it's set to 2 minutes. So when the dash cam is recording, after 2 minutes, the LCD screen will turn off, but the recording continues. Language. Format, to format the SD card. Frequency, I'll set that to 60 Hz. Default, if you want to restore the setting back to factory default. Version, this tells you the software version of the dash cam. Now we're back to the first menu. While the dash cam is recording, if I press the menu button right here, it'll take a snapshot and you can see an icon come up at the top here. Also, if you press the power button, you can turn on and off the infrared LED on the front. See this icon that shows up? So right now, the 4 infrared LEDs are turned on. Now these infrared LEDs are not meant for long distance. It's only used for illuminating objects nearby. If you want to lock the video clip that you're recording, you can press the mode button right here. You can see the lock icon at the top. Press it again, you can unlock it. Now I'm going to stop the recording. And if I press the mode button again, it'll go into playback. Here you can scroll to different video clips and play it. If you want to turn off the microphone, press the up button right here. And you'll see the mic has a red X on it. If you press the down button right here, it'll turn off the LCD. Now the unit is still on, but you've turned off the LCD display. As for the installation of this dash cam, I measured the length of this power cord. It's 11 feet long. Also at the end of this cigarette lighter plug, there's a cover. If you flip this over, there is a USB charging port you can use to charge your mobile phone. To install the windshield mount, first clean the window and then place it on the windshield. Push it in and then turn this to lock it in place. Now you can install the camera onto the mount. Connect the power cable. Now we'll run the cable up to the headliner, over to the A-pillar, and down. As you can see, this BESCHOI car dash cam performed very well. It has excellent video quality for both daytime and nighttime recording. The 1920 by 1080p resolution really picks up all the details on the road, along with being able to read license plates off vehicles. Also, with the very large 2.7-inch LCD color display, you're able to see the video that the camera is recording. If you want to check out this dash cam, I will put the Amazon link in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comment section, and don't forget to click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.